Hello students, good afternoon. Today in our maths recorded class, we will discuss about chapter 5 and the name of the chapter is what? The name of the chapter is multiplication. The name of the chapter is what? Multiplication. So you see, we have learned about multiplication in the previous, we have learned about it will be addition actually. In the previous class, we know that actually what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, right? So what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. When you were in class 1, you have learned something and today we will just explore it, right? So you can see, we know that multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. Suppose there are 5 groups of 2 marble each. You can see there are 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each group is having 2 marbles. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So the total number of the marble can be obtained by adding 2 5 times. How I will do it? Just look at here. I will just add these marbles. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So if I add this marbles, the answer or the sum will be 10. But in multiplication, what we will do? We will just multiply it. How? 2 means the marbles with the groups. How many groups are there? 5 groups. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. It means what? If we add the same number, we will get the answer or the sum. And the shortcut way to get this product or get the number is multiplication. Thus, 2 into 5 is same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The answer or the product or the sum is what? 10. Here another example is what? As you can see, how many marbles are there? Like in each group 3 marbles are there. 1, 2, 3. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 groups of 3 marbles. It means 3 into 6. We know it very well. 3 8s are. Tell me the table of 3. Yes. Very good. 3 into 6 is 18. So we have already got the product or the answer of 3 into 7. But if we add it, I am showing you, if I add these also like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, the answer will be 18. Understood? So 3 into 6 is same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The answer will be 18. Okay, now children, I have jotted down the exercise for you in my copy so that it will be easier for us to understand. Wait, let me open that. You see, ma'am has decorated this copy for you only. Multiplication chapter 5. Multiplication means repeated addition. So the example I have given, 3 into 6 is 18. And now with addition fact, it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, it's 18. Now exercise 5.1. So in this exercise, what has been asked to do? Write the multiplication fact for each addition fact. Addition fact has been given. You need to write the multiplication fact. So the addition fact is what? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many types of 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first I will write 4 and how many times 4 are there? 5. So 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Very nice. Okay, like the same way, 7 in plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many times 7s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if we add these 7, the answer will be 42. So, 7 into 6 is 42. Simultaneously, the same way we will do these things also. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. As we know, 5 plus 5 is 10. Again 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. And if we multiply it like this, 5 into 4, the answer will be 20. Now the same way, 9 into 7 is 63. And the addition factor is 9. They have added 9 7 times, means 9 into 7 is 63. Now the next question is what? Find the product by repeated addition. It's very easy. 3 into 5 means I have to write 3 5 times. So I have written it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. So 3 into 5 is what? 15. Very nice. Here also same, 9 into 6. We know it very well. 9 6 are. Tell me. Tell me children. Yes. Sorry. I am not able to understand. Yes, it is 54. 9 5s are 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 into 6 is 54. Next 6 into 4. 6 into 4 means 4 times 6. 6 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 into 4 is 24. Like the same way 5 into 7 is 35. Now multiply with the help of multiplication table. I told you children to learn the tables from 1 to 10. So 3 8s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 5 9s are 45, 6 8s are 48, 7 6s are 42, 5 8s are 40. 9 5s are 45, 8 8s are 48, 7 7s are 49, 5 7s are 35, 7 9s are 63 and 1 into 8 is 8. Now remember children, when two numbers are multiplied, we get a product. Yes children, when we multiply two number like 2 into 3. We are multiplying 2 with 3, that is 6. So when two numbers are multiplied, we get a product. When the places of the numbers are interchanged. Interchange means if we change the place of the number, their product remains same. As you can see, 3 into 5 is what? 15. 3 into 5 is 15 and the same way 5 into 3 is 15. So 3 into 5 is same as 5 into 3. These both numbers are same, but you see 3 was in first position and 5 was in second position, but here they have just changed their place. The orders of 3 and 5 are interchanged, but 15 remains the same. Okay. Now these are the properties. Actually we will learn now the properties of multiplication. Multiplication property of 1, the product of any number, and 1 is the number itself. Means if we multiply 1 with any number, the answer will be the number itself. As you can see, 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 1 is 5, 7 into 1 is 7. Understood? If we multiply any number with 1, the product will be the number itself. Now, number 3, that is multiplication property of 0 is very important to learn. So, let us see. If we multiply any number with 0, the answer will always be 0. Example, 0 into 1, 0, or 1 into 1 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. Okay. So, you can add 0 many times, but the sum will always be 0. Now exercise time. Exercise 5.3. 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into dash. 5 into dash. Fill in the blanks. What will be the answer? We know it very well. The answer will be 4, as 4 into 5 is 20. 5 into 4 is also 20. 3 into 7 is equal to dash into 3. Here it will be 7. Dash into 9 is 9 into 8. Here 8 will come. 8 9s are 72. 7 into 9 is equal as 9 into 7. Easy. Now again fill in the blank. 6 into 1. 6 1s are 6. 7 1s are 7. 8 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. Right? Fill in the blanks with 0. 7 into 0. I told you children, if you multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So 7 into 0 is 0. 10 into 0 is 0. 0 into 5 is 0. 9 into 0 is 0. Now find the product. It is very easy children. If you learn the tables, it will be very easy to understand and to solve the problem sums. 4 into 3 is same as 3 into 4 and the product will be 12. 6 into 1 is equal as 1 into 6 and the product will be 6. 7 into 3 is equal as 3 into 7 and the product will be 21. 4 into 7 is equal as 7 into 4, that is 28. 5 into 8 is equal as 8 into 5 and the sum will be, or the product will be 40. 9 into 2 is 2 into 9 is equal as 18. Now next one. Now the next one is what? As you can see, multiplication or the multiply. 9 4s are 36. 7 3s are 21. 7 7s are 49. 6 9s are 54. 6 5s are 30. 2 9s are 18. Now arrange in columns and multiply. This is the, you can say that this is a type of problem sum. Okay, a boy has 2 hands. A boy has 2 hands. How many hands do 5 boys have? If one boy is having 2 hands, then 5 boys will have 5 into 2. It's 10. A cow has 4 legs. How many legs do 4 cows have? You can see, if we need to multiply it, but if you want to if you want to apply the rules what I have taught you, like to add the product, you can do that one also. 4 into 4, that is 16. So let's see if we add 4 times, 4 in plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So let us see 16 is coming or not. 4 plus 4, 1 2 3 4, again 4. 5 6 7 8, again 4. 9 10 11 12, again 4. 13 14 15 16. See, 16. So if a cow has 4 legs, then 4 cows will have 16 legs. And if a boy has 2 hands, then 5 boys will have 10 hands. Easy. Now the next one is what? A car has 4 wheels. A car has 4 wheels. How many wheels do 5 cars have? If one car is having 4 wheels, then 5 cars will have 4 into 5, it's 20. Easy. So 5 cars will have 20 wheels. Understood? I hope you are understanding the things because we have done it so many times in our online classes. Now, how much is the following? 10 times 7. 10 times 7. If I write like this also, 10 times 7 means 10 into 7. But if we change the place of the number, the answer will remain as 70. Here, 9 times 2. 9 into 2 is 18. If we interchange the place like 2 into 9, the answer will remain as 18. 6 times 9, 6 into 9, it's 54. 5 times 8, 5 into 8 is 40. 7 times 3, 7 into 3 is 21. 2 times 9, 9. 2 into 9 is 18. Now exercise 5.5. I taught you children that whenever you are doing anything, you will start with ones place. So you can see in ones place 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. First we will complete the section of ones place, then we will go to the next tens place. Here 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Now with 3 digit number, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 again, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 3 into 3 is 9 or 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 3 into 3 is 3. Like the same way you need to complete the thing. Now a very important thing is about to come. What is that? This is carrying over, multiplying by and carrying over, multiply with carrying over. So what is that? 8 into 3 is 8 into 3 is 24. So I will write 4 over here as I have written. So what to do with 2? With this 2? I will add this in tens place. So when I will multiply this, the whatever number will come, I will add that particular number with 2. So how I will do it? First let me finish it. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So I have written 8. Okay. Just have a look children, that 8 3s are 24. 24, 4 I have taken, 2 I have just given to tens place for adding. When we are multiplying this tens place, 2 into 3, this 6 and that 2 which came from ones place, that is plus 2, means I will add this with the product whatever I have got, that is 6. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now you see 36 into 2. So first I told you children to do or to start from ones place. So 6 2s are 12. 12 means 1 2 12. 2 I have written, you can see, and 1 is here in tens place. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, easy. 6 2s are 12, again 12. 12 2, 1 will be carried over here. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 4s are 28. 8 I have written, 2 will be carried over here. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. You see I have written. Again 6 plus 4 is 24. 4 is written, 2 will be carried over in tens place. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, it's 8. Now the same thing will be followed with the number like with the 3 digit number. What is that? 3 zeros are 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again it is 5 2s are 10, 10 means 1 0 10, 0 I have written, 1 will be carried over here, 1 will be carried over here, right children? So what I will do? Yes, so 0 plus 1. I told you children, whatever number I will plus or I will add, the answer will be the number itself. Means 0 plus 1 is 1. But when we will multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Remember this. 5 1s are 5. Again this next one. 4 4s are 16. 16, 1 6 16. So 6 I have written here and 1 will be carried over in the tens place. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Again 3 I have written, 13 3 I have written. 1 will be carried over to the 100 place. So next 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 4 0 0, 4 5s are 20. 20 0 I have written, 2 will be carried over here. Right? 2 will be carried over here. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 8, sorry, let me write it again. 250 into 4. 4 0 0, 4 5s are 20. 20 means 2 0 I will write and 2 will be carried over here. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 3s are 21. 21, 1 I have written and 2 will be carried over here. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2 and 3 3s are 9. Here 5 2s are 10, 10 0, 1 will be carried over here. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 5, 1 again will be carried over here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. Okay, by this way only we will complete our chapter. One last thing, that is the problem solving. So here you can see, solve the following word problems. The cost of a book is 58. Find the cost of 8 such books. If one book is the cost of one book is 58, so what will be the cost of 8 books? So it is very easy. I will multiply 58 with 8. So I have done the same. 8 8s are 64. 64 means 4 I have written and 6 is carried over here. So 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. So the number of the cost of the 8 such books will be 464 rupees. Richa spends 36 daily on buying vegetables. How much money will she spend on buying vegetable in 7 days? So 1 day cost is 36. So what will be the cost of 7 days? So 36 into 7, answer will be 252 rupees. There are 30 cold drinks bottle in a crate. How many bottles of cold drinks will there in 6 such crates? If one crate is having 30 cold drinks, so 6 carat or 6 crate will have 180 cold drinks. Okay, like this way only we will complete or we will do the multiplication. I hope you have understood, children. Still, if you are having or if you are facing any sorts of problem, you are very much welcome to call me or you can ask me anything. Okay, but make sure to practice this maths. I have just shown you. I have showed you in my copy, but you see I am showing you from the book. Yes, these are the exercise. These are the tables of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 is there and 6 is from here. You can see 6 is here and here also, 7, 8. Okay, and here is 9. Make sure to learn each and every table, children. You see, if you are learning the tables, it will help you only to understand more, to apply more. Okay, because you are now in class 2, but when you will be class in 3, so it will help you a lot. So remember, children, make sure to learn all the tables and that too in writing mode. Make sure to make it as a habit. As I told you, children, in my online classes, that every day I want the tables to be written by yourself or written by you only. Okay, so never forget to write these tables. Now, if I turn the page, you can see here some exercises. Yes, exercise 5.2. Multiplication by using the tables. 3 8s are, 4 7s are, 5 9s are. Next is properties of 1, 0, as I told you, children, and if you interchange the position of the number, the product will be the same as 4 into 8 is 32. If you change the place of the numbers 8 into 4, the product will remain as 32. I hope you have understood. Now the next one is this part. We have completed it. This one and this. And the last one is this problem sum, which I have just now I have completed. Okay children, make sure to watch the video and practice maths. Okay children, bye bye.